December the 7th. Hope you're all good. Today I am wearing another Charm Patterns Hepburn top, this time with the lovely fold over collar, and it does have a bow at the back. Can you see that? Sort of. It's a bit of a floppy bow today. This is in the green, I want to say it's called like Dashes fabric from Higgs and Higgs. I'll put a link to it in the description. They still have it in stock because I was on their website this morning, as I am on a regular basis. So you can get it from there. They do it in loads of different colours. It's a lovely sort of medium weight jersey, sews up really nicely. So that is what I'm wearing, what I made. Joke for the day. I mean, yesterday was so good that I'm feeling like today's going to be a slump in joke quality, whatever I do. So I'm thinking I'm going to go really bad, just to really, you know, like hammer in the fact that it's a big jump down from the quality of yesterday's joke. Who is the baddest behaved reindeer of them all? Rudolph. I'm slightly ashamed of myself for that one. Tomorrow's will be better. I'll come up with something better for tomorrow. Yes, so that's today's joke. I'm sorry about it, it's terrible. Right, today's hack. As ever, please submit your hacks and tips in the comments section. I've had a few people say, I couldn't think of any, and then I watched a video and I was like, hang on, no, I have got one. So yes, do that. Put them in the comments. That would be great. And I will read them all and enjoy all of the free advice that I'm being given from you guys. It's great. So today's hack for day number 7 is coming up. Enjoy it. I will see you tomorrow for day 8. Bye.
Today's tip is one many of you may have come across, but relates to how you can mark fabric effectively using a pen like a Friction by Pilot, which has an eraser on the end. So these are ballpoint ink-based pens, but they are erasable. So you can write on paper with them, as illustrated, turn them over and use the eraser on the end of the pen to get rid of the marks that you've just made. The thing that's useful for this for sewers is that what allows the ink to become invisible is heat. You're creating heat with friction from the eraser on the end of the pen. So if you then use the same pen to draw onto fabric, either to mark notches or circles for matching points, or even to draw in seam lines if you're doing hand stitching or tailoring, it will write beautifully onto fabric and comes in a range of colours, which is handy, so you can do it even if you're not drawing onto white, which is always a little bit of a challenge. But if you then get a hot iron and run it over your markings, because you're applying heat, the ink will disappear. Erasable, removable markings. Super easy, very handy.